Welcome to Best Turkish Recipe channel. Why don't we make bulgur pilaf? First, take 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, one chopped onion in a Teflon pan and fry them. Next, add 2 chopped green peppers, three chopped tomatoes, leave it to fry a little bit. Then, 2 glasses of bulgur are added. It will be ready with 3½ glasses of hot water, a sweet spoon of salt. Cook them in low heat. When the pilaf absorbs all its water, close the cooker and put a piece of handkerchief on the pan. Make it brave. Your pilaf is ready. Good appetite, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.